Want to save money? This is how to make I-tips or K-tips out of any spare hair that you have. The tools I am using are a hair extension iron, Italian keratin granules, Genius weft hair, and scissors. I also use a thick piece of paper or cardboard to spread the keratin granules on. Move 4 to 5 grains from the pile and pick them up with your hot iron. Work them into the tip of the cut hair. Try to spread it evenly and not too thin. This gets easier with practice. Shape with your fingers and trim. You can find all products at visionhairextensions.com and in the links in description. I am cutting the hair from a Genius weft, which is the easiest hair to use. It is already aligned and has no return hair that needs to be removed. You can customize the weight of the strand. I recommend 1/2 gram for fine hair to 1 gram for thick hair. The shorter the extension hair is, the less the grammage. For very long hair, over 24 inches, the grammage may be over 1 gram. I am now making I-tips. You need less keratin, so I only use 2 grains. The I-tip needs to slip into a bead, so try to make it thin and straight. Make sure the K-tip fits into the micro ring you are using. Keep in mind that your client's hair will be in the ring too. I'm trimming the end of the I-tip before it cools, which causes the tip to flatten. Don't do it. Wait for the Italian keratin to cool before cutting. It will save you time. Thanks for watching. Drop us a like and comment if you have any questions.